Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect Onn Soundbar to Roku TV. Let's go. First way, wired. Connect the soundbar to the TV via HDMI. Use HDMI ARC input. Open Settings, System, Control Other Devices CEC, One Touch Play and System Standby turn on. Search for CEC devices. Update CEC device list. Open Settings, Audio, Audio output. Choose your HDMI ARC input. Second way, wireless. Open Settings, Remotes and Devices, Add Devices. If your TV supports Bluetooth, choose wireless speaker. Turn on the pairing mode on the soundbar and select the soundbar on the screen. That's it. Now you know how to connect Onn Soundbar to Roku TV. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.